Chunk of filet mignon. Let's get a little bit of that flame. Oh, just to get that char. Throw on some of this bacon too. Give this steak a flip. It's got to be getting close. I like mine medium rare. Oh, that bacon looks good. A little bit of flame. This bacon, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I've never smelled bacon so good in my life. Look at that. Wow. Let's get a look at this steak here. Oh yeah, just about there.